You know, would you rather have a threesome with your parents or cheat? I'm cheating, nigga. What the fuck, nigga? I'm not having no threesome with your parents, bro. Dog, what kind of bomb clock question in that ask, dog? Would you rather be on top or bottom?
What did he say?
That one I feel like young you. Would you rather give or receive?
I would like to receive, or we can both give at the same time.
Why?
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. But you see, as a Rasta man, day 3 of Florida. Look, now, right now we are about to pick up some yard food and something like. Me just get chicken and chips, isn't it? I never feel too extra. I don't want nothing too, you see me? My stomach feel kind of light right now. You get where you get curry goat, boy, you get a look on me. You see me? You get a look on me. That's right, and then we are gonna just start the day, you know what I'm saying? And see what today doing, you see what I'm saying? But just did I say vlogmas, but brother, I'm done with them something. That's something they have too much work more. If you don't want to be on the sun, dog, I do vlogmas for about 8-9 days in a row, non-stop. Brother, the amount of sleep me bumbuckler lose, cause it's like me that film and then me I post it said last day and I just don't have time for them something them a G. Me I tell them the truth. When I nearly murder me cause me not post, but I can't maintain them something them can't maintain that a Ross. Yes, right, so you can pick up the little food and them something, you know what I'm saying? Claire, that sunlight here move like you know and give me a little live so. But Claire, so cool Florida chop. This ain't a sun chop. It's ready. You know what I'm saying? Carlo drip. You know what I'm saying? With the ethical, you feel me? You feel me? Them everything match something, you know what I'm saying? With the red hats and them something there. This nigga look like a Florida boy. All Florida niggas do, bro. They just match colors, bro. Where the mama go? Well, that's a restaurant named Roots. If you don't know about our Roots, you make it know where I go. Look on the, you know what I'm saying? Calm, like a hard fit. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Just a Rasta man have done the J's and them something. You know what I'm saying? Man have, you feel me? Look, calm trip. So I'm so look at Baba Roots, bar and coffee at top, but after a bumbo clock coffee, this is not even have to look as a good seat.
You get Sprite, right?
Sprite, yeah.
Or are you going to the house? You got Sprite in the house.
Which bar?
You guys gonna go to the house?
Probably not go back here. You see, I chat in my chat. Me, I film my mukbang, me, I film my video.
Okay, so you guys not going back?
No, not yet.
Alright.
I will film. You see, as a Rasta man, me have the wing them. You see me, make it fly. Creep long little drip. You know what I mean? A little drip, man. Stop playing with me, boy. Walking, Malika, walking. Yeah, mama. Well, start out to fall first. Hold on, the whole of them are chicken and fries, oh?
Yeah, so give me mine. They all barbecue.
The whole of them are barbecue. What's up, nice? The curry go take it?
No, they didn't have it.
Okay. Bomba, food that looks so good. Yo, brother, I don't know how man you bring them New York, so me come a big bomba for Friday in a car right now, man, I burn up in a dog. That me and tell you, you. You look like a baby father, my G. Man, I walk like a bomba clap penguin. See me? See me? See me?
Preparation, just practicing.
Prepare for a baby. Like Mary, why the fuck my chain hangs over the bomba? Yo, bro. Yo. I'm showing them where they pan the local menu. I'm showing them. You know, I tell them like the food look good. Fuck. You see where they gonna play. Post stop opening the chow. I'ma snap it. Snap it on my Instagram so the whole on can get jealous. Cause every time he post food in a jalen, me don't like pussy all up at the airplane the right there, man. I'm telling you, man. Buklada, cook chicken, my boy. Bona, my G. Don't drive off it. Let me take my picture first. They not go back to the house, you know.
Yeah, I know. I'm about to see how far my name is.
That means so them old people are trying to give me a lecture for the like we not have things to do. Like phone time expire, man, and our bedtime 2 o'clock. Food looks so good. Bona, my G. Yeah, I'm put the mom. No, I'm not put no location in my yo, and I'm fine, want me down rascal. Buckler, yeah, move the chicken, so dog. Man, I damage your phone. Yo, what you call it? Yo, comment y'all joints. So, we filming right now live for the tube. You feel me? I'm vlogging. I'm just putting it in the vlog because we don't got nothing to do right now until later on. Yeah, remember, just comment. Look at would you rather or something. You got an answer. That's right. Oh my God. No joke. Ask me a question, man. Would you rather question, man? Make me a record. Not to lie. I fall about. Sun out the road and rain and fall. Now they and them wife are war. You got them there. Them say if your mom and your wife arguing, your mom tell you to sit down, and your wife tell you to go in the car, who would you listen to? Nigga, the fuck? I'm a grown ass man, nigga. Nobody can't tell me to sit down and go to the fucking. What you doing?
I'm telling like, listen, both of y'all can't be telling me to do something else.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Same time. I ain't gonna write like that.
I'm a grown ass man, nigga. The fuck? Nigga said, would you rather fuck Lizzo or Queen Latifah if you had a choice?
Queen Latifah.
Queen Latifah all the way, for sure, nigga. What the fuck? How you doing? I'm doing good. Tell him. What up? The fuck, nigga? But that's Dukes. Nigga, I'm a grown man, nigga. Next question. That one after that Yankee Utah. Them say, would you rather give or receive? Me I receive? Me not giving them. I bet I don't give them a receiver.
I like to receive. Or we can both give at the same time.
And then they asked this dumb question. Nigga said, would you rather fuck your cousin or your wife's best friend? Why the fuck would I fuck my cousin, bozo?
Nah, I'm starting to think you fucking your cousin.
Yeah, like, is you fucking your cousin or some shit? Like, y'all niggas in the live asking some shit. Like, why would you make that comparison, bozo? Clearly, I'm gonna fuck my wife's best friend. Family ram, bozo. Would you rather spend a night with the boys or go out with your wife? My shorty, bro. Would you rather be on top or bottom? Like, you rather shorty Roger or you rather missionary? I was done.
Missionary.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't got mega knees.
Yeah, I'm going. Where's my mother? Let me get like right cocky. Would you rather do it in public place or in your parents' house?
Did it in both, so I can't even.
Yeah. Would you rather be handcuffed or blindfolded during sex? Blindfolded, bro. Y'all females be on some weird type of timing, bro. I don't want to be handcuffed, bro. Are you crazy? So you could do some fuck shit?
I'll take blindfolded, yeah.
Blindfolded, man. A blindfold, you can always take a blindfold though. And he said, would you rather have kids with your ex or jump in a pit full of snake? Snake.
I'm jumping in a pit full of snakes. My ex already got a kid.
Yep.
2 of them.
I'm not going back to no exes, nigga. You're an ex for a fucking reason. I'm fuck. No fuck. Stop asking, would you rather fuck your cousin or your wife's best friend? Like, is you fucking your cousin, nigga? Like, what type of weird ass question is that? Like, the little great bumper car get asked 2 times. Here's that, would you rather have a threesome with your parents or cheat? I'm cheating, nigga. What the fuck, nigga? I'm not having no threesome with your parents, bro. Dog! What kind of bumper car question in that ask, dog?
I'm starting to think y'all be fucking your family members.
Dog, that me I say, first you not talk about fuck cousin. Now you talk about fuck bumper car parents. You not fucking the family. I never have to live when I do this again. Someone tell me just post a post, but I get some decent question. I'm here to the fuck rape on life. What? Would you rather watch your parents have sex every day for the rest of your life or join it once to stop it? But nah, join that Ross, you have sense.
I guess I'm watching every day.
Yeah, nigga, I'm not joining that shit, nigga. What the fuck, nigga? Nigga, so would you rather walk in your sister or your mom?
My sister.
Sister. Parents is embarrassing, bro. Oh, she said partner. Oh, shit, fuck. Oh, fuck. So next one, I'm gonna just add it to that. She said, would you rather have a threesome with your partner or cheat? Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm not cheating, bro. I'm not cheating. So another shorty gonna have to tap in. Where to my mother?
We don't cheat.
Yeah. Nigga said, would you rather get beaten up by a girl or lose your family? Get beat up, nigga. Why would you want to lose your family?
Which family member were we talking about?
Some of them I don't go fuck about. What about my brother? No cow. You. Nigga said, would you rather get jumped or let your brother get jumped? Where my mother they jumping this nigga? I'm not getting beat up for nobody.
And you alone get jumped afterwards because I'm gonna make sure.
Nigga, I'm not getting jumped, nigga. You crazy? You fucking dumb.
cracking.